Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of ForgeRock, now named Ping Identity. Now this video will have everything you need to know about getting started with ForgeRock and how you can use it for identity management. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the ForgeRock website, which is still bearing the URL backstage.forgerock.com, but they've actually rebranded to Ping Identity in case you get confused with that. And from here, you can directly sign in if you already have an account or register if you need a new account. So all you have to do is fill in these details. Of course, you're going to have to use a business email. So Gmail will not work if you're trying to use one for creating an account. And of course, you have to indicate your company and organization. And once that's set up, then you should be able to have access to ForgeRock Backstage. You can also try their partner portal in case you want to partner with ForgeRock or Ping Identity. Just follow through the prompts of Ping1 sign on right here. So just the email of the company. If you're interested in becoming a partner, you can also apply here. And if you need access or help signing in, there's a support page available right in this link. So now we're going to head back to our main page. And before we dive right into this website, we're just going to give a brief background on ForgeRock, which basically it's a comprehensive digital identity and access management, or IAM, platform designed to help organizations securely manage identities for employees, customers, and devices. It offers a range of features and benefits tailored to enhance security, compliance, and user experience. So here we have basically what seems to be a support type kind of info site wherein we can just search for what you need to know about Ping Identity and what you're looking for in particular. There's also an extensive filter system right here. You also have these options if you want to check out their support, downloads docs, knowledge base, training resources, marketplace, community, and developers. Before we check those out, we're just going to identify real quick the key features of ForgeRock. So starting with having a unified identity platform. So Ping Identity helps manage identities across employers, customers, partners, and devices. It also provides a single platform for identity governance and administration, or IGA, access management, or AM, directory services, or DS, and identity gateway, or IG. Now for access management, it enables single sign-on, or SSO, multi-factor authentication, or MFA, and adaptive risk-based access. It also supports passwordless authentication for enhanced security and user experience. This also provides session management and fine-grained access controls. Now for our IGA, this helps automate user lifecycle management such as provisioning and deprovisioning. It also offers role-based access controls and auditing for compliance, simplifying access requests and approval workflows. Now for CIAM, or Customer Identity and Access Management, it helps deliver seamless and secure customer experiences while supporting social login, self-service registration, and consent management. It also provides customer data analytics and insights. So for our DS, or what we call directory services, there is a scalable high-performance identity store for managing user and device data. It's also designed for high availability and fast read-to-write speeds. This also supports LDAP, REST, and other standard protocols. Now for Identity Gateway, this helps secure APIs, microservices, and legal applications with modern identity standards, while also acting as a bridge between legacy systems and modern IAM solutions. Now, with those kinds of system, of course, comes an adaptive and authenticated or adaptive authentication with the use of AI. So this leverages AI and machine learning for risk-based decision making, and it helps detect and mitigate what we call machine learning, as well as fraudulent activities in real time. Now, with their cloud support, there's promised scalability, and it also supports deployment on premises, in the cloud, or in hybrid environments. All the while, it integrates with leading cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. There's also what we call open standard support, which is compliant with OAuth 2.0, OpenID Connect, SAML, and FIDO2 for secure interoperability. This also helps ensure flexibility and compatibility with third-party systems. So here you have a bunch of knowledge base that you can browse through. You have the advisories for a collection of advisory articles. For example, security advisories. There's also backstage help. You can also see some featured articles about ping identity. There's also training resource materials determining how to architect, build, and deploy your identity solution with a simple process. ForgeRock training combines training, enablement, and technology to arm you with the skills you need to execute a smooth deployment. So you have on-demand learning, event calendar, courses, and certification. So this is just a basic access. And you have a marketplace here for all the integrations and plugins you need for your software. Let's try to give that a check real quick. And here you have the featured HTTP client. You have Microsoft Intune node and Jumio Auth 3 node. So you have a bunch of nodes here that you can choose from for authentication, RSA, Secure ID Auth 3 nodes. And then all the way down here, you have more plugins and integrations to choose from. It's also categorized accordingly. You have the Ping AM, Ping DS, Ping IDM, Ping Gateway, Internet of Things, Common Services, and other categories. So they have an extensive list of integrations that you can choose from. Feel free to browse through them so that you can get a better feel of how you can use your software when you sign up for Ping Identity. And now heading back to our main page. Here you can also see their solutions and products, so you can have a platform overview as well as their solutions overview. So by business priority, they have a customer identity, of course, workforce, B2B, this decentralized, passwordless authentication, implement zero trust, migrate to the cloud, modernize legacy IAM, IoT, engage your customers, preventing online fraud, innovating digital experiences, privacy and consent, mergers and acquisitions, and drive compliance. These are also some sample industries that they mostly cater to. So if you fit into the following categories, then of course it's best to take advantage of what Ping Identity can offer for your business. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.